Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Zen Pro, a trading app that promises to let you trade stocks, indexes, and Forex right from your phone or computer. According to their website, you can start with pocket change and enjoy zero commissions, because nothing says trustworthy like a financial platform that claims it doesn't want to make a profit off you. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, which is perfect for people who have never traded before and want to feel like a Wall Street pro while sitting in their pajamas. It's all very sleek and familiar, designed to make you feel right at home while you navigate the complex world of global finance. However, the honeymoon phase ends pretty quickly once you check the actual user feedback. Over on Trustpilot, the ratings are so low they're practically subterranean, with a chorus of users claiming their money has basically gone into a black hole. Many report that withdrawing profits is an impossible mission and that their accounts were locked the moment they tried to cash out. Apparently, the customer support team is currently competing in a worldwide game of hide-and-seek, leaving frustrated users to label the app a total scam. While a tiny group of people claim they actually managed to withdraw their funds, they are very much the lucky few in a sea of disappointment. Because of these glowing reports of being unable to access their own cash, Zen Pro has landed itself firmly in the high-risk category. If a platform makes it harder to get your money out than it was to put it in, that's what we call a massive red flag. Overall, Zen Pro might look shiny and attractive on the surface, but the underlying issues with reliability and support are hard to ignore. Trading is already a gamble, but with this app, you're basically betting against a house that has already locked the doors. Do your homework before handing over your wallet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.